Philippines 1950, Rising through Science and Values. Kung tatanungin mo ako, ano itsura ng Pilipinas sa 2050? I will close my eyes and imagine a nation once broken, now rising, a people once doubting, now believing. Salamat sa science, salamat sa technology, at higit sa lahat, salamat sa pusong Pilipino. Sa 2050, wala nang batang nagugutom kasi mga saka natin ay smart, guided by satellite, nourished by sustainable energy, at pinangangalagaan ng mga magsasakang may dignidad. 2050, hindi na tayo natatakot tuwing may bagyo. Project Noah already warned us. PLSA satellite already marked the danger. Prepared na ang bawat hanggay. Evacuation is organized. And resilience is not just a word, but a way of life. Sa 2050, education is for all, from VR's classrooms to AI mentors. Learning is not limited by walls, nor by wealth. Walang may iwang, walang mga pabayaan. Kasi ang kaalaman ay parang tubig na dumadaloy sa lahat. At oo, science solve problems, but values made sure we solve the right. Kasi anong silbi ng progress kung wala namang mas malasakit? Anong halaga ng innovation kung hindi naman para sa bayan? Sa 2050, Filipinos live with dignity. Filipinos live with hope. Filipinos live not just to survive, but to thrive. Science gave us tools, technology gives us speed, but values are Filipino souls gave us direction. Philippines 2050, hindi lang ito panaginip. Ito ay pangarap na pwedeng tuparin. Kung magsasama ang talino at puso, kung magsasanib ang agham at dangal, kung magsasabayan ang siyensya at malasakit. At pag dumating ang oras na iyon, the world will look at us and say, the Philippines did not just build a nation, they built a future.